Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add a TikTok pixel to your Shopify store with the conversion API, and also you can add multi TikTok pixel, like if you want to have a backup pixel or you want to connect one Shopify store to too many TikTok ads manager. It's easy. First, we will use this application called Pixelify, multi Facebook Pixel. It's for Facebook Pixel, Snapchat Pixel, and also Facebook Pixel. You can add as many as pixel you want. Okay, click install. Install. Next, let's activate the app. Done. Next, if you want to add Facebook pixel, click select TikTok, click select TikTok. Let's activate conversion API. Let's collect my pixel and let's get our pixel ID. Let's choose this one. And if you want to create new data sources, click connect, and let me show you web. Next, skip manual. Next, pixel 3 or 4 or 5, 4, create. Next, 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 finish. When we go to this, you will see we go to this pixel also, so we will add two. Okay guys, let's add this at the beginning. Next, let's add access token, settings, go down, generate access token, copy, paste, save, done. Next, choose your plan. I always choose the pro plan because I use also Snapchat. Here is the page. So go again to TikTok. Let's add a new TikTok. My pixel 4. Go here, copy, paste, accept, settings, down, generate, copy, done. You can choose where this pixel you want to, where which place you want like to show. If you want only to show in collection, you select. If you select the specific collection you want, specific product you select by click select and choose which product. I will use entire store, add. Let's go to see our store. To test we use a TikTok pixel helper. As you see, our 2 pixels, everything is work smooth. You can see the event here, but you have to wait like few minutes, maximum 1 hour, to see the events here. But everything now it's been tracked. If you have any problem or any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys.